Hello, my name is Emma. Welcome to my channel. And so we're going to do a little thing, a little different. I know I have been doing a lot of things, different, projects here and there, tea, coloring, baking, and all that. But that's what I do. I do a little bit of everything, and I haven't even gotten you guys into showing you how I do my jewelry making. So that's another thing, and my own card making. So today I just want to show you a little bit more of the coloring that I'm doing, and just a few things a couple of things that I use in order to laminate my pieces. So let's get on with it, okay? So like always, I don't have an overview camera right now. I mean, I could use my tripod, but because I'm always in this corner right here, so it's just a little bit more easier for me just to do it right here. Otherwise, I would have to grab my tripod and put it in front of me, and then you guys it's all gonna be backwards. Okay. So let me put this up here, and the one thing I didn't grab were my markers. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, so these are my Collie Art markers. This is what I've been using to color my pieces. I'm gonna try to put you guys a little bit more down so you can see. Now, a little bit maybe like that. Okay, so lately I've been doing making prints, copying them, coloring them, cutting them out, and then laminating them. Now, when I went to the store, I remember I kept seeing these pouches, these laminating pouches, and I said, you know what? I've been wanting to get a laminator, so I just started picking them up. I didn't have a laminator yet, but I said, I'm just going to get them. And I did get this one. This one has, if I can try to get it out right, has 3 sizes. It has 2 small ones. And then it has, I think it looks like a 4 by 6. So this is perfect, especially if you're just doing like little projects. These are awesome. So I have an even bigger sheet, but I don't know where it's at right now. It's probably somewhere in my it's more like a craft in my bureau. I don't have a bureau armoire, but I have a lot of craft stuff in there. It's probably in there. So yeah, so 3 sizes came in this one. And of course, this is your just typical 9. This is 9 by 11. So this one's, of course, it's, bigger sheets. So, excuse me, breakfast. So if you see these things, around and they're on sale, pick them up. Pick them up. And then when you decide to get a laminator, you'll have your pouches ready. Okay, you'll have them ready. All right, so one thing I did get, and I was so ecstatic about, and that was this little Barbie set. This little Barbie set doll at Dollar Tree. I was like, oh my God, I could not believe I got this. I think I already hauled this on my Dollar Tree haul. And yeah, so I couldn't really show you how it stood up. But let me see if I can show you now. Okay. So, evidently they come with these little slots. And of course you had the little slots down here. Okay. It's so funny because if you want 2 of them, you can always cut this out and use this on a junk journal. This little piece, because this little piece is, it's pretty sturdy. So I'll probably end up doing that. Probably just be cutting her out. And these were all the little pieces of dresses and stuff that she got. I think this dress is the one that she's wearing. So let's just give it a go real quick. I'll probably end up doing this on a more, oh, look at this. They have more slots here. I didn't even know that. And they have slots in here as well. Okay, so I took them all out. I think there's no more. So we're gonna just put these in there. They are, you know, they're not really like paper. They go in really smooth. And then we have a skirt. The skirt, I think, just wraps around her waist. Not really a big deal. Yeah. And I think she has some, I don't know. I can't find her, oh, her black, some, let's give her some, because she has some black boots. So we're gonna, I don't know if this is gonna stay on, that's the only problem. And then we're gonna give her some black boots. Let's see if they stay on. I just want to test it out and see if they stay on right. So far everything's jiggling everywhere, which I'm not too happy about. So I have to really mess with it, because unless I have it on there on her wrong, yeah. I guess you got to be careful where you put the shoe. One shoe's going one way, and then the other shoe is going the other way. So, again, that one came off already. So, let's do it this way. Let's put this one back in again. Yeah, this is not like the other paper dolls that I used to get when I was little. Everything's falling, and with the other ones, everything would just stay on. It wouldn't fall. And you really have to press these down. And then I'm gonna put her here, just so I could show you how it goes. So she's all dressed up, ready to go out and maybe go grocery shopping or go to the corner store, but she's ready to go. And then you just plop her on right here and supposed to shove her in. And there you go. All done. There you go. So really glad that came out okay. And yeah, so I'm gonna be messing around more with this. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna take her apart now, and I'll take care of her. I'll take care of all the stuff later. So I can't, you know, wait to do her like a piece every day, you know, and just yeah, and just dress her up and make a little story with her and find out, you know, where she's going. I also have some, I think I got them at Dollar Tree too, which I think will serve a better purpose for this than a real doll, because they had these backdrops of a kitchen, bedroom. I'll show them to you next time. But I think the paper doll would work a lot more better with that than a real actual doll. So I'm gonna just put this away real quick. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. I got my new sheet out. It's already done. And I did already have all the ones that I'm going to laminate, and I'm going to run it through the laminator. But because I have more room, I'm going to cut some out and put them in here as well. So, let's see. I did have my scissors here. Okay, I don't know where they are. So I'm gonna cut out my snowman, and I'm probably gonna put my snowman in here. Now usually with the snowman, you always gotta try, when you're cutting it, you know, when you're cutting it, you want to try to give it a little bit like a border, because when you put it through the laminator, you gotta cut it again. And you want to try to stay close to the print, but not that close, because you could end up cutting the lamination plastic, and there's a pretty good chance that it will open up. So you want to really make sure that you're having that white little edge. Like that. Now I could cut in here, like in between right here, but that would take a little bit of time. Okay, so I really want to show you the laminating process. Okay, and then I have one there, and then I think what I'm gonna do, I think I have enough room to put this cup in there. And I'm going to put my laminator on. I did want to color, but I don't think my battery's running low, so I don't think I'll have enough time to color with you. So I'm just cutting out. This is not, the other ones might be a little bit more perfect because I had more time to cut them out. Again, you're trying to get that white edging. So if my battery dies, just welcome to my channel. I'm glad you popped in. And I'll catch you in my next one for sure. And like I said, there's that little white edging. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and definitely comment. Okay, so just in case we get cut off. Okay, so there. Now everything is on the sheet. And like I said, the reason I do it this way is because you have, if you notice, even on the paper doll, this is the paper doll that I was just doing, look at it, has the white edging. Okay, because when it gets cut out, whether it's through a machine or if it's by your hand, you have to have that white little bit out. It needs that extra room, because again, the machine or your hand is going to cut it. Now, with this one, I did the prints, and I didn't color the one all the way over here because it's missing the arm, so I have to scrap that. And if you see all the white, all the white. So you're trying to cut out that so you'll have more room on your laminating sheet. So you want to do it this way and then put them on your laminating sheet. And I think I could even put a cup in there. I don't know, maybe a little cup. I still have room. So I'm gonna grab a cup. I think I have enough room for a cup in there. And you want to utilize as many pieces as you can. Okay? And I am going to put a little, I'm going to try to lift this up. I'm just waiting for that thing to turn on. Move that over. And yeah, perfect. The cup fit in there perfectly. So now I have a lot of pieces in there. And my little girl is falling out. Let me fix her a little bit. I need to get her a little bit more higher. Okay, I think my machine is ready to go. Just let me prop you up a little bit more up here. And there's my machine. Okay. So I've been making a mistake. And my pieces have been coming out, well, not my pieces actually, just the laminating sheet had been bending all over the place. So I have to make sure, doubly sure, because this doesn't have a board. I'm going to try to fix the few pieces here before it actually goes all the way in. My Christmas tree fell down. So I don't have a board for this. So it's kind of hard for me to keep it straight. Some laminate, it's not like I can just stop it. Okay, it's coming out okay, but it's still not really centered. And I'll show you what I mean. Because this just goes straight through. Doesn't it have a board? And so it's coming out on the other side. Oh, you can see it. Almost there. My tree did fall down, but that's okay. Okay. And there we go. See how it's a little bit bent? Let me turn you around. I'll be on the other side. Okay. Yeah. So it came out fine. It came out good, except for the Christmas tree. See how it was supposed to be a little bit more up here. But that's okay, because I still have enough room. I still have enough room to cut it out, so that's fine. Yeah, I just don't know how to work with it, or to get a board, and then I guess maybe that's what I'll do. I'll get a board and then slide it and then slide it out. Okay, so there we have it. And on my next video, I'll show you how I cut the pieces out, which is really fairly easy. And yeah, because if I could have had, you know, if I knew it was good, I would have put another cup right there because I have room right there. But, you know, it's always a hit or miss. But I definitely am going to work on a board so I can just slide it on like you would a pizza in the oven. Something like that. Okay, so next time around, like I said, I love how the ugly sweaters came out. These were the ugly sweaters. I love how they came out. I think I have 2, 4, I have 6 of them. I have more cups. I love how the marshmallow one came out with the cinnamon. Oh wait, I think the cinnamon sticks are over here with the peppermint stick in there. And next time what I'm going to do is, I didn't have time today, but I am going to do it later. Well, and try, because you know, I'm judging by the battery. I will color these. I definitely can't wait to color the bells, and I can't wait to color the jingle bells. These are just regular bells, jingle bells. Okay, so all right, so that's it for today, and I will definitely get back. Let me load this up for you guys, and it shouldn't take that long. It should be up today. You know, it shouldn't take that long to load. If I were to film like non-stop here and there, definitely it would take me forever. Or like for some people, it takes almost a week for them to upload a video. But because I'm doing them right in the now and don't want to make you guys wait, I'm trying to keep a track of the time. And okay, so that's it. So we made it to 22 minutes this time. Okay, guys. So like a fish in the sea. So glad you caught me. And I'll catch you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and definitely comment. Bye.